Welcome back. This is going to be a sound clip of some exhaust work done on my 05 Acura TL. We replaced the resonator, factory resonator, with a Magnaflow, part number 10425, as well as deleting the mid muffler. It still has the rear mufflers. Was told that they actually are starting to develop leaks, but they're not super bad at the moment, so hopefully that won't affect the noise. Sounds pretty good in my opinion. Just also a note, I do have a cold air intake as well, so that can affect the way it can sound. Let's see if I can get all this in. All right, let's give it a shot. All right, hopefully that sounded okay. Again, cold air intake is also installed on this, so I'm sure that can affect it a bit. But if you're interested to know what it sounds like with a Magnaflow resonator and a mid-muffler delete, that should give you a pretty good idea. Thanks for watching.